please. Kevan! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You haven't had one before, Cosby begins something.
Scott! Where's my Scott?
Lick my nipple. Lick it. Lick it. Lick it. Now what? He's like.
Comedy. Remember that, bitch.
Whoa.
Wait a minute. You're my brother, bitch.
Oh, you're on candy camera.
Comedian, damn.
Scott, you're my
Comedian.
Hold on.
What?
You gotta be in the light, yo. Hey.
Yeah, me and Piglet.
We're not in the light. We have to be in like a lighted room.
Are you guys really gonna tape a porn?
No.
Hell yeah. So fuck. Get the hell out of my way.
It's fucked up.
Get out of here.
Leader boy, this Scott. He's doing
I'm sorry, but this is my new brother.
Yeah.
What's up? What's up?
Do you know how it is?
Wait.
What's up, brown kid?
What's up, dog?
I love you.
Love you too. Nipples! Let's go towards the nipples! Nipples!
Get it pierced.
I'm going to.
Ow!
I'm gonna get both my nipples pierced. Cause look, watch.
Ow! Damn, that fucking looks like it hurt. Oh, don't fucking do that. Ow.
Justin's just like, what the fuck?
Wash. Oh!
He's
Don't!
all looking at your ass.
Woo-hoo!
Oops.
Wait, do that again.
The fuck?
I don't know. We didn't touch it!
The dog is all like,
This is a kick-ass movie, dude.
Hi! Oh yeah, I brought dance.
see?
No, it's not. Ready?
Come on, Justin, it's your turn. Okay.
Video tape.
I got like an hour of videotape.
Oh, you two look so cute. Oh, that's right. Do it now.
No! That's over.
Bend over and touch it. Oh, that's right.
Wait.
Wait, you guys gotta get close to each other. Aww. Look at Kevan. Oh my god, Kevan looks so weird. What are you doing with your face? Covering it up? Justin's doing it too. Damn. He doesn't fight like wussies. Come on, do some real action here.
Let's do UFC boxing.
Real action, come on. Oh yeah, take the jackets off. This Justin took his hat off and shit.
I got way too much shit in my pocket.
Let's see if they can really do this. Oh yeah. Real one-on-one action. Oh, go Justin. Don't break anything in my house. If you break anything, you're dead. Hold on. No. Who's gonna bring who down first? Hold on, that worked. Oh.
I win.
Not yet. Justin doesn't look like he gives up yet. Watch out for my couch. Justin looks like he's winning now. Damn, Justin. know you guys can do better than that. Oh, shit. You guys give up yet?
Alright, listen.
Hold on, don't
Go to
move.
my house, I'm gonna break your faces.
Damn, look at you too.
So video camera here, what the fuck?
Okay, guys, give up, because I don't want shit in my house
Can you
getting
hear me?
broken.
If you think it's broken, I'm gonna break your face in.
Damn, I think they want to get some action going on. What do you guys think?
Watch, they're gonna hear me on the video camera. I'm gonna break your fucking face in.
Damn, he looks sexy, doesn't he? Out of breath?
No. Damn. Can't take this off. Hang on.
Oh, shit!
I'm serious.
You're gonna put it not in her lap.
That's it.
God, join. Who's in wrestling?
Kevan.
He is.
Who's your boy?
I can't wrestle with shit.
Can he fight?
Yeah, I can play.
Throw a punch at me. See how hard you can hit.
Hi, guys. What are you guys doing? I'm missing the wussy fight. Alright, guys, you guys are about to knock those pictures over.
I won.
Of course you
But I
won.
didn't.
Give some thumbs up, Justin.
I'm tired.
Aw, buddy, helping buddy up after a hard
I got a
wrestling
knee in
course.
the ball. And you're getting up.
Hey, here's
You
some
fucking hella choked me when I was trying to get this off.
Come on, Justin. It's
What?
your turn.
What?
Come on, Erica, wrestle him. Wrestle him just like you did that one night.
Oh, yeah.
Harder, Justin. Harder.
He'll kick my ass.
There's like no room here to wrestle, dude.
I know. Oh my God.
You got my fucking
No
legs
way.
You hella got my legs pinned.
Hey,
I
you!
know. I don't remember what that's called, but we're supposed to do it.
Yeah, what now? Okay, video cam me punching Kevan in the face, okay?
Damn. That's how it's
ready?
right.
I have a fragile face.
Touch and fuck my sister up, I'm gonna fuck
Look how bad your neck is.
you up.
You will, because I'm sweet.
I could just be like one-handed, just. I think I could.
I know you could, but still. You're too stressed. I'm a girl.
I know, that's why I'm not doing it.
Damn it, your legs are too small.
Hey, turn it over this way.
Oh, wait.
Leave my ass alone! What are you gonna do? I think you lift me up. I'm gonna get freaking scared. No!
See that view?
That's a lock, dude. You locked her.
I can't let you fall.
Yeah, you can. I can't lift your leg up. Oh no, what are you doing?
Boom! Right through the table. I'd just be like,
You don't do that? Okay! Ow! Ow!
Justin!
No! I don't know.
We gotta save some videotapes. That button.